today I've got a 2005 Ford Focus. I bought it as a work car. I really enjoy this car. It gets good gas mileage. There's next to nothing wrong with it other than some body damage out there. However, my mode selector here for my heater and my AC, it does not do nothing. It does come out the vents right now. The previous owner said they could manually move it. They put it to defrost in the winter, vents in the summer. So I'm gonna see if I can see what's going on with it. Maybe we can come up with something and get it fixed. This little cubby holder down here popped out pretty easy. It wasn't really even in there, so I guess you want to pop that out. It makes this getting this panel out right here easy. It's just clipped in around this gray silver piece. So if you just push, it should pop it out. Alright, and then I got this shifter here pulled back. And I actually, what I had to do was, because it'll drive you crazy because you can't get the key out. So, to get this back, I zip tied the door jamb switch. Otherwise, it'll sit and beep and chime and drive you crazy. This right here is the cables, and I'm really not familiar with these systems. I never really have messed with Fords too much. I was always at General Motors tech, so this is a little different to me. But you know, this temp one works, but this one does nothing. So I don't know if it's just one of these cables is broke, disconnected, who knows what. So I'll show you where that goes to. I'm on the driver's side, up and under the dash, and then you can see back through there by light. But down there, that's where those are. So this one here is the temperature. This one is the mode. And see, when I turn the temperature, let me find it. Hold on. There we go. You can see it turns nice and easily. However, the mode, which is the white one on top, oh, good night. What in the world? Scare me to death, dog. Whew. Alright, back to it here. Yeah, the middle one here is the mode. There's the top, for sure. What is holding the bottom? Oh, okay. Oh. This is going to take some finesse here. Oh, it's got two rollers back there it sits in. See those two guides? This could be tricky. Okay, it looks like it's in the back one. It's definitely in the back slot, which would probably be the hardest one. I just need to get it where it needs to go, and I don't know if it needs to go this way. I mean, the cable might just be stretched. I don't know, because this one looks pretty uniform, but this one has pulled these strands right here. So that might be, there's this plastic sheeting that goes over it. There we go. There we go. Don't know where that went. I gotta do it right there. Alright, good. So I had 3 tangs, one on the bottom, 2 on the top. Didn't help me a bit. I mean, it's not broke, so that's a good thing. But I don't know if it'll move. Let me see if it'll move the arm, the lever down there. I'm going to actually take I didn't take these screws out. I'm gonna take this off, see if I can get this knee bolster off, and then you can get right in there to it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take, there's a screw here, a screw here. I don't know how these are connected, so let me take these two out. I want to see if I can just pull this off. I might have to take all this off. There was 4 screws to take out. There, there's one, right there, and right there. They're 8mm, and just kind of slide it straight off. I actually took this stuff here off because I was just wanting to make sure everything moved, and it does stick, but this spins like it should and moves all these actuators. So there's one up here that turns, and this one turns, and this is all to operate your mode. But I mean, all this moves. I mean, it does stick like that. Gosh, that's probably why the cable's messed up. But it goes through all the movement. Nothing's broke, so that's good. So I think the problem is all in that cable out there. This is an assembly. This was in the car, so for the mode actuator and the temperature. And all it does is the temperature one, when you turn those cables, it'll turn this, which turns this. This will turn the actual door in the car for your temperature. And likewise, this one should turn this and turn this to operate that mechanism that changes your modes from vent to defrost to floor, all that good stuff. Here's the temperature one. It should work good. And it looks like it does right here. Nice and smooth and easy. This one, not so much. Alright, so this part works good. Nothing wrong with that. Definitely all in this. They definitely don't want this to come back apart. There was where it was hinged. You can see it's broke. And then I got this side to pop loose, which was not easy. So let's see what this side does. This is a good way to stab yourself. Yeah, I don't think it's necessarily meant to come apart, but well, we're here now, so this should turn easy. Visit findahandspecialist.com today to get started. Your paycheck, your family depends on it. But if something happened to you, you need life insurance. Chances are a driver has been shot in the chest. Okay. We'll pull this halfway. Yep. So we got these about halfway out. Like this. A member of Kappa Alpha Psi and the University of Memphis football team. It's gonna get sad when you meet a lot of upset people. There's no evidence the shooting happened. It's not too much slack. We don't have a lot to go on. We just have to hope the dealer crashed his car. I think because this end is stretched. That's why it's not got the snug fit on this other end. So I wonder if we can recrimp that. Maybe. This is one of the most high-profile cases that we've had. We'll have a lot of detectives working this case here and also possibly. All eyes are going to be on us on this one. got a plastic coating over it. I hope it don't bunch it up. It's bunching it up. Let's try that, see what it does. I'll clamp this back down. Well, that just took off about what I thought had extra on the other end. I didn't measure nothing, so it's probably not wise, but let's see what it does here. Because it's really close to working. I think I just cut off too much. So if I cut this right here, alright. I don't know what that's going to do, but we're about to see. Alright. Should turn this nice and easy. And it does. Problem is I don't know if it's oriented right, and I won't know until I hook it up. I snapped it back onto this, and I checked it again. It still moves smoothly. Only issue, well, a couple. It's broke right here. I mean, it's holding together, and it has that one clip right here that'll maybe hold it. This side don't look too bad. I don't know. The other thing was, I'm sure this is timed. See, these have flat spots on them. I mean, we may get some door movement, and if I can get maybe defrost and vent, I'm good with that. I got this back installed on the case for the HVAC. I got all the bolts. One there, one there, one there, and one there. It's all splined up, so we'll hook up the control head. Got a wide lug and a small one. And this one is the one for the temperature because it's still got the back on it. So there should be something to that effect right in there. There we go. And that's snapped in. That is moving. Alright. Alright, that one snapped in. Here it is all back together. I mean, other than this knee bolster, but just to show you. So there's temperature. like I said, it worked before. And then here is the mode, which wasn't working before, but now it is. There's vent. There's floor. And then there's defrost full. So it's a little out of time as far as the knob, but hey, it is functioning. And as far as it goes, is right there. We won't go all the way here, but that's probably where I messed with that cable. But it does go through the floor, the vent, and the defrost. And I don't really care what it says here. At least I don't have to pull the panel. I don't have to dig behind this dash to change it. And then I wouldn't say that it's a perfect fix, but like I said, this is a cheap work car because all I do is use it for work. This just keeps me from having to buy anything, one, and two, I can change the mode again. I just gotta know I can't go to here. Even when I get all the way here, it gets a little sticky trying to get back. So I don't want to try to push it. That's defrost. Hey buddy. That's defrost. Both of these are just full on floor. And then there's vent. So I'm good with that. So I'll pop this stuff all back together and try it one more time. That's that. Call it good.